Today we are riding to Tamaniga. Today's ride is gonna be around 300 kilometers. The time is around 5:20 in the morning. It's humid. Today we would be going to Lonavala. From Lonavala we would be taking the Tamani Ghat, and then we would be climbing down the Ghats towards Kolad. That's on the Konkan side, and return back to Mumbai on the old Mumbai-Goa highway. The entire distance is around 350 kilometers for us, and it could take the whole day. I need to also fuel up the bike. So trip A is 0, trip B is also 0. Just did the fuel up, a full tank of fuel. That's 22 liters into the tank. Okay, let's hope for the best. So I just did a catch up with Harish. He's just riding in front of me. Look at the sunrise out there. Beautiful. काफी जल्दी आ गए आज। आगे कर लो या पीछे कर लो, सेंटर रोड में। हाँ, नहीं नहीं, कहीं और जाते हैं। ठीक है।
This time we had our breakfast at Ramakrishna. After a sumptuous break, we continued our ride.
Oh wow, beautiful. Oh man, we are in between the clouds. Beautiful greenery, so much that the eyes would want. Roads are not that great, enough twisties to keep us engaged. One of the very few rides that I've enjoyed so much. Oh man, look at this. So we almost just lost our drone. Lucky it was that we could get it back. So finally the bad roads are over, and look at this road.
यहाँ बैठ सकते हैं।
This is NH 66. This road starts all the way from Trivandrum and reaches Mumbai. This patch between Kolad and Mumbai, I've been on this road several times now for the last, I don't know, so many years. The conditions of the road has never improved. Whether it was a single road or now they're trying to make a double road, whatever it be, the condition of this road is absolutely pathetic. This is one stretch that we've got is good. The one that we just crossed and came, I didn't make a video on that, but then you know what keeps us cool? The scenery. This is a very scenic road, but the roads are pathetic. The worst part is you never know when the road goes bad. Mumbai, 54 kilometers. We are now in Panvel. I'm on the Eastern Express Highway. A beautiful ride today. Route had a combination of highways, trails, bad roads. I mean, everything was there today. Let me try to end this video here. Thank you guys, and if you watched this video this long, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot. And if you've liked this video, please hit the like button.